Hello, fellow YouTube addicts. Many people hate today, mainly because it reminds them of terrorist acts. I hate today for a different reason, and here's what I'm going to tell you in episode 2. Yes, I'm not going to be too aggressive, but it is fucking episode 2! As Stormhammer says. I hate today for a different reason. Not because of terrorism or Islam or Judaism or Christianity or any of those fucking desert religions and their ridiculous reasons for causing a war. I hate today for a different reason. Today is the day that Sarmak from Lycanthropy's spell has died. He died in 2005. He was not even 21 years old. Heart problems, just like I have. It makes me feel close to him. And what is playing today, right now, as you're listening to it, is Melancholical Apathy. My favorite song that they've ever played. Listen to its music. It's beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. Sarmak was a man that I would have loved to have a beer with. Yes, I've had a couple beers tonight. I've been thinking of him the entire time. He's a person I would have loved to hang out with, just to play guitar or exchange ideas. It sounds insane, I know, but he was a genius. Someone so full of emotion and personality that I would have loved to know. Just like the people I met on MySpace or Metal Archives or fuck, I don't know, but I just wish I could have met him before he died. And I gotta thank my brohammer Azordan for this as well. He was the one who introduced me to Lycanthropy's spell in the first place. So I gotta blame him, I guess, for... that's the wrong word to use. It's not blame. Gotta thank him for introducing me to this musical majesty. Listen to it. It's beautiful. You'll always rest in peace, Sarmak, and people will remember you.